You all sorted?
Yes.
If you're ready to leave, I'll brief you on advanced training. The keys.
For?
Your digs. MI6 is setting you up in safe houses for the next 6 months. You're with Cressida and Monroe.
So we're not going back to Malta?
I show you this and you want to go back to bunk beds. To kill for a place like that. But yes, you'll be going back and forth between MI6 and Malta for advanced training. And when in London, you'll just have to slum it in Bayswater.
Oh,
Stephen Bright.
Foreign Secretary Bright. Bond.
I was just dropping off a few boxes for Cressida. I hope we'll meet again.
Hey, Bond. Welcome home.
Hey, guys. Hey, Bond. You've got to check this place out. Rooms are in the back. We left you the worst one. End of the hall to the left.
Monroe. It's a great room, Bond.
Yeah. This corner's just perfect for my training gear. Now go. Get settled. The room's down the hall on my left.
Bond, in here. I've got something for you.
Hey, Cress. Foreign Secretary Bright is your dad. I just met him at the door.
Yes. Didn't you know?
What have you got for me?
The key to your room. Obviously, the best room's already taken, but the second best one's still free.
Really?
Yeah. How Monroe makes decisions is a mystery to me. The key's on my desk.
Why do you think this room is the best one?
Facing east, releasing endorphins in the morning. Cold in the evening and not facing the streets. The bathroom is right next door. Of course, the pipes and the drains are facing this way, but that's a small concern compared to the upsides.
You really considered all that?
Who wouldn't? Besides, I really like the color.
When did you get here?
About 40 minutes ago.
You're already plastering the walls with study plans.
We have a lot of work ahead of us, but not a lot of time.
Notes and a mess. In 40 minutes, I'm impressed.
Shut it. You're starting to sound like Monroe.
Boxing glove?
It's for you. Practically had your name on it.
Is that meant to be a jab? Oh, this is me then. Yeah, this does beat the bunk beds.
Ugh, Monroe. Are you hacking my laptop again? Stop it. What are you up to? Trying to read my messages, you creep?
Studster 555 wants to see you again.
Ugh, please. I mean it. Stop it. You're going to break it. Find something else to hack, please.
All right. Something to hack. Aha.
Boys, someone needs to unpack the kitchen. What's for dinner?
Leave it. Let's head out and celebrate.
Okay, let me know when you're ready.
Not bad, eh?
It's all right. For a little while, I suppose. Now you're here, you can help us settle something. I'll just get Monroe. Hey, Monroe? Mind coming to the kitchen?
Coming.
Bond, you'll be the judge. What do you say? This grotesque pastiche of hypermasculine tropes, or this piece masterfully commanding negative space with a quiet intensity?
In other words, the cool picture or the boring one?
The poster. Sorry, Cress. I like the explosive and uncontrolled aesthetics. It's inspiring.
Knew I could count on you, mate.
If that poster goes up here, your shoes go in your room, Monroe.
Those two things are completely unrelated.
Protein. Yours, Cressida?
Don't need it. Brains over brawn, every time.
Let's go eat.
Thank God I'm starving. Heard there's a decent Indian just around the corner. There's just enough time before we head back to Malta. Monroe?
Always do the unexpected. First rule of spycraft. Task is simple. Go in and get the flag. No lethal force is allowed unless the opponent has intent to kill. This may not be real guns, but we still play by those rules. Is that understood? Bond, your first Cressida Monroe will be your radio support. Try not to embarrass yourself.
Earpieces in, boys. What's our strategy?
We just have to wing it, won't we?
Greenway emphasized our code of conduct. So this exercise must be about testing how good we are with the new equipment from Q Lab. Natural thinking and all that?
With that watch, you'll run circles around those grids.
In position.
Good luck.
Entering now. Here we go.
This is it, Bond. Get that flag.
Remember your training, mate. You got this.
Don't forget your Q lens, Bond.
Get ready for a
Hey, if it works, it works. Go for it, Bond. Good thinking, staying low.
Remember our code of conduct. Don't shoot until absolutely necessary.
What? That was strange.
Good choice moving right. I'd have done the same.
Keep at it.
Rules of engagement. Better not.
They'll clock you.
Throw the gate back up!
Control? What situation down here? Send back.
We can see you.
You made it to the tower. Now get to the top.
something.
Lock and load.
He's moving! Disappeared into the plants.
I'll take him down. Watch your flanks.
We've got someone injured. Find him on there. He's in my sight. Right bloody now. All right. He's got his gun! They got me! He slipped into the plants.
Back this way. On my position.
That's nice move.
Stay there and they'll spot you. No excessive force.
Suspect spotted!
No guns, I know.
That's it. Hiding like a snake. You're not getting away. Lessons! Move!
Hope this kind of thing isn't all we'll be doing during training.
Rules of engagement. Better not.
There's no way out. I ain't afraid. I'll kill you.
No excessive force.
What's up?
That's it, mate. Silent but
Don't get up.
No guns, I know. There are so many ways to do that course.
Establishing a baseline is the first thing they'll want to do. Answer truthfully. What's your name?
James Bond,
How old are you?
26.
That's our baseline. Now watch this. You don't like me, do you?
Jesus.
This should be interesting.
No, I don't.
Well, this is awkward. But the line is flat, so he's telling the truth. Small initial waves just before shows that he's under some duress picking his answer. Let's try again. Do you think telling me you don't like me will affect my ability to judge you objectively?
Let's move on.
Based on our past experience, yes.
In other words, you think I'm incompetent. Do you miss your parents?
None of your business.
But you would agree that being orphaned at a young age has left you rudderless and unable to finish anything meaningful.
Oh yeah, I'm deeply broken and dysfunctional.
Offended? You think I've overstepped? You do realize that people who put you in that chair in real life will not play fair.
Dig in.
I can't believe you made it out.
Well, yes, it was very dangerous.
Bond, we're waiting.
Bob?
Archives.
Are you comfortable?
Thank you. I am.
Let's calibrate. What's your name?
Cressida Bright.
Eye color?
Pale blue-grey.
Okay, that's a solid baseline. Now, start spinning porkies, Cress.
Ready? Here we go.
How old are you?
52.
How the hell do you do that? Try something harder?
Cressida, does it bother you to be such a nepo baby?
Don't be absurd. My parents are serving time for embezzlement. I had to change my name because of it.
Your mother would be devastated to hear you say that, Cress. She spends every waking hour paving your way through life. I'm curious, doesn't that make you doubt your achievements sometimes?
My spiritual journey has taken me to a place where the words like mother and achievements are meaningless.
Nothing. How is that possible? You have to try harder to trip her up, Bond.
So, Cressida, how long have you had the hots for Monroe?
I don't. Hey, that is not fair, Bond.
What? You fancy me? Why didn't you just say so?
Before you use these gadgets in the field, it's important you understand how they work. These phones do more than just make calls. Bond, Ronson, please pick up a phone and load up from the chemicals on the workbench.
Can't wait.
Here we go. Come on, Ronson. Glad it's not me.
It will be next.
Found what I need.
Splendid. Ronson, step into the red square. Bond, step into the blue circle.
Well, this is going to suck.
Bond, whenever you're ready.
Sorry, Ronson. Nothing personal.
Nausea, dizziness, and disorientation. The target's balance is affected, making it impossible for them to remain standing in one place. Perfect for when you need someone out of your way.
Oh, shit. It's not possible.
Correct. Given your current inability to listen to my guidance, it is not. Bond, you're up.
You'll get there, mate.
I don't know. I need some air.
You can't control the target, Monroe, but you can learn to control you. Bond, pick up the gun and hit the target.
Sounds simple enough.
skill or pure dumb luck? Let's find out.
Again.
I can't believe you pulled that trick on me. Always do the unexpected. Fast through the spycraft.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, I mean, you still beat me.
Well, of course. But still.
Early day tomorrow. Catch the flag at daybreak. SAS are prepping for it now. Suggest you get some rest.
I remember when Sundays were Sundays. Yeah. Hey, listen, why don't we just take tomorrow off? I wish. I'm serious. We go get the flag now. Have a well-deserved rest tomorrow.
That's actually not a bad idea.
What? You want to do this, Chris?
First for the spycraft? Greenway can't possibly object.
They're gonna stand there all night.
Leave them to me, boys. Earpieces in. Let me know when you're through. Hey guys.
What are you doing here? Let's go.
Listen, I know you guys don't like to be humiliated on the courses, but if you choose to see through our superiority, we're actually really nice people.
You believe this girl? Piss off.
Okay, I'm just messing with you. I am serious about something I'd like. It's silly, really. So we just wanted to reach out and invite you over for tomorrow night, to know each other outside training. It's Greenway's birthday, we're throwing a little party.
Trooper? What are you doing up here? There's an intruder in the lower levels. We didn't hear. Keep your ears open and you might next time.
Another piri-piri job.
Jesus.
Good job you weren't excited for me. What's wrong with piri-piri? Stick it.
Monroe, the flag's on the top floor of the back building. Repeat, it's on the top floor of the back building.
Received and understood. I'll meet you up there.
We're gonna get the right seats here.
You're in it now, Bond.
Suddenly out.
Okay, back on track. Other guys taking a bit of a kip.
And the car's a total write-off. Jesus, what was that daft old bugger thinking? Yeah, I know he's your dad, but you should have known better. Look, I don't want to argue.
Sarge wanted me to check the flag running. Now I'm kind of getting stable for what's going on.
Be right behind you.
It's smelling from up there.
You got it?
Right here.
Follow me. I've got a plan. Huh?
Bond? Monroe? Stasis.
Monroe just crashed the party.
Come on, take him down! Right! Oi, come back! Oi, lads! Up here! Up there! Get him!
There's too many of them.
Sit rep.
Oh, we're screwed.
Thanks, mate.
Things just got sticky. Main door exit's not really an option just now.
Shit. New plan. Meet me at the backside docks.
Can't. Monroe's in trouble.
Block the door. I'll circle around and meet you there. See you in a bit.
I've got eyes on him!
What's your location, Monroe?
Just pin the route for you.
Good call on the boat, Cress. Owe you one.
Been added to the tab.
Glad to hear you're all safe. Could you get a move on her? Can we get...
So I'm curious to hear how every SAS in the compound suddenly got alerted to our presence.
Monroe, you take that one.
Can't talk right now.
So, Christ, they're really going after... Jam!
Sorry. I need a bit close there. No worries, mate. All the time in the world.
New course. Tougher opposition, tighter deadline. So be smart. Fastest win gets extra credits. Yes, what is it, Bond?
First room of spycraft.
Always do the unexpected.
And what about it?
We followed it, sir.
Grab your coat. We're going out.
Don't tell me. Tea and cucumber sandwiches.
You wish. Come on.
It's to everything not MI6. Can't fault their timing.
You, my big man.